Hey guys, how's it going? This is Andrew from Advanced PCs. Alright, so in this video, we're going to be talking about using Disk Defrag, another built-in Windows built-in utility that you can use to speed up your computer. Alright, so we're going to be running the utility in Windows 7. Okay, so I'm going to show you some, the easiest ways to access the utility, how to configure it, how to run it, and go from there. Alright, okay, so one way is you click here on Start. And this is probably like the easiest way is to pretty much do a search for it, Disk Defragmenter. And you should be presented with a window. There we go. All right. And another way that you can get access to the utility is clicking on Start again and go to Computer this time. And then you're going to right click on the local disk, the local C drive. And when you're populated with the menu, you click on Properties. Okay. Now under Properties, you're going to have this. You're going to be presented with a lot of tabs. You're going to click on the Tools tab. Okay. And what you're going to do is click on the Defragment Now button. And this is for this is just essentially just how you pull up the utility, how you get it to run. Okay. So those are the two simplest ways to get to it. Once you're configuring it. Essentially, the key with Disk Defragmenter is you want to do it on a regular basis. You will see that you'll notice a difference if you run it once or twice, but if you do it on a regular basis, you start to notice the difference in the performance of your computer. All right, so the next thing you want to do here is configure schedule. All right, okay. Now, as you can see here, I've already configured mine. You can configure it. I recommend doing it as often as every month, weekly or daily. You can, but it's not really necessary. You really can do a month. Monthly is good, or even once every quarter, once every 3 months. But obviously, that's not an option here if you want to have it done. If you want to have it done automatically. Within the month, and you could choose whatever day you like to have it run, and the time. It's always a good idea to run it when no one is really using the computer. So 1 a.m. is usually, is always a good idea. At that point, most likely you're at bed or something. And then pretty much you want to select the disk, and then here you want to choose your C drive. In most cases, you're probably going to have like all three going to be selected. So you really just want to have this one, unless you have other partitions or other disks that's on your computer and you want to have those defragmented as well. All right, so once you're done there, you select the C drive, you say OK. You say OK here again. Okay, and then once that's all set up and it's configured, pretty much what you want to do is you want to go here and just do Defragment Disk, and then it's gonna just go through the process. Now what it's going to do, obviously here you can see, it's going to analyze the disk first, and then once it's completed with the analysis, if you will, then it'll go through the actual defragmenting process. Okay, so then that's pretty much it. This will take a while. So like I said, it's always a good idea to run it when you're not going to be on the computer, no one is really going to be using the computer. All right, and I'm just going to let mine run here for a little bit longer. Well, yeah, pretty much it's going to be a while, so I'm just going to let it run. All right, so that pretty much wraps up how you run this defragmenter. It's pretty simple. Anyone could do it. And again, like I said, you want to do this on a regular basis. So if you have any questions, feel free, leave a comment, leave your questions below. And also you can reach out to us at www.advanced-pcs.com. And at Advanced PCs, we keep it simple. This is Andrew from Advanced PCs. Take care, guys. Till next time.